Where would it open? Where is it open?
It goes here. And there's money inside.
You keep your money inside Tweety Bird's head?
Yeah?
Wow, that's unusual. So it's like a doll,
Yeah.
but it's also a purse.
Uh-huh.
You might be the only person in the whole world that has that. Oh, that's a big Tweety Bird. That's not a purse too, is it?
Uh-huh.
It is? Where's it open? You said uh-huh. No?
So you need to open.
You should put some money in there.
There's pennies inside.
It's a nickel. I think so. Nickel's not a penny.
There's more money.
Whoa. You're getting rich.
Oh, God.
What other things do you think you'll put in there besides money?
Well, I think I'm gonna put a little pen.
Keep a writing
Like
pen
this.
and maybe a few different little items you might need
Yeah.
when we go buy someplace.
Yeah. And then I'm gonna put a card in here.